Dumpster rental service in the Villages, Florida. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in the Villages, Florida? All Things Dumpster Rental is the trusted choice for homeowners, contractors, and businesses needing efficient waste disposal. Whether tackling a home renovation, a large-scale construction project, or a simple cleanout, having the right dumpster makes all the difference. With a variety of sizes available, we ensure the perfect fit for any job. At All Things Dumpster Rental, customer satisfaction comes first. Our transparent pricing means no hidden fees, making it easy to plan your budget without surprises. Rental periods are flexible, allowing customers to work at their own pace. Whether you need a dumpster for a few days or longer, we accommodate your schedule. With a strong commitment to sustainability, we ensure responsible waste disposal, diverting recyclables whenever possible. Serving the Villages, we make the dumpster rental process seamless from start to finish. The process is simple: schedule your rental, prepare for delivery, fill the dumpster, and call for pickup. Our team ensures prompt drop-off and pickup, so waste never stands in the way of progress. For dependable and hassle-free dumpster rental in the Villages, call All Things Dumpster Rental at 35280-48783 today. Get the right dumpster for your project and experience waste removal made easy.